So, do you think it will be selfish if Umatha decides not to nigela ngengane yakhe? Because now, if you look at the situation, these people are going through a lot. Now, from being a hotel owner to gohlala ematyotyombeni, do you think she will be selfish if she says, you know what, I am ready to start from scratch and not give up my child just so that I can have the fame and the fortune? I don't know, but when I look at it, Dimbana enxabile, but at some point she's gonna give in. Because remember the high fancy life that she used to live. Kuba maqhuzu endaweni ihinto zakhe ke lezo. So because she does not have manners, she's not a person who is humble okhuluma nabantu kahle. She's not used to the life of begging. So vele ngimbona anikeze ngendodana yakhe. To think that she I don't know. Do you think she will be selfish if she says no? Because at this point, Uncuka came and said, you know what? I want you undinikele ngosana kufuneka edini elikhulu because this is a big sacrifice. Obviously, there's fresh blood that is needed. Gena uma athi no, there's no way. Umntana moya enyuvesi, so there's no way that I'm going to take my child and give her to you. Athi gena Uncuka, no, I'm not talking about the child that you have sent to varsity. Ew, seyenza izinto ke loyo. I need the new one, the fresh. So now she did not even realize that she was pregnant. She didn't even know that she was pregnant. Then she decided to go to the doctor, do the test, and they came back positive. They even told her the gender of the baby, which means that she's far along enough for them to even see. They did say, uzoba nenkwenkwe. Congratulations. And she was confused to a point where she decided that she was going to go and visit her sister to ask, listen, didn't decision to make, man, and I just don't know whether I should to do or not to do, because now this decision requires a lot from me. I almost was reminded of the verse that says, to him that much is given, much is required. So now she says that this decision that I have to make, it requires a lot. And then sister asked what it was, and she was unable to share. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndimadekwana sanbonan abshin molweni minjani hibukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongonoko wa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma ku ri swilo a swi tshamisekangi kahle, because uma Eskel was then warned ukuthi lalela awuzuhlangana nomfazi wami, nokumbheka is a problem. That was Petunia on the picture. Now Petunia is a bit stressed right now because she's supposed to go and have dinner with the mayor's wife and his wife, with the mayor's wife and the mayor. And now Usakile says to her, but you don't have to be so stressed because remember, you are also the mayor's wife. So she was stressed out. She had to go. And then Abo Mamiki they scared her and said, yo, she's going to be telling you about her rich and famous lifestyle, and something that when you're not about that life and you cannot afford, so kumele ugqoke kanjani njani, ube njani njani, and which is something that Mr. Mayor was like, that is not necessary. You don't even have to change who you are. You don't have to change anything, because nanoma ungafaka plastic dali, you're still going to be the star of the show. Oh, I love it when he said that. Like, you can feel with him time umfazi wakhe, man. He's not confused about his whereabouts. He's not confused about ukuthi ukuphi empilweni. He knows what he wants, and what he wants is his wife and a position as a mayor. Yeah. From a coal collector or a coal worker to a mayor. Babusisekile abantu. Anyway, on the other hand, khona uTim noTiny. Oh, that rhymes so well. uTim noTiny, they're having this thing that is going on. It's nice to watch from a distance, but I don't see it lasting. Umfundisi comes through and says, I don't know if you guys niyajola. What is going on? uTim wathi no asijoli, siyadlala. This is soon after uTiny was playing with the guys. Abatshela ukuthi no, impahla yakho kumele was ukuyisebenzisa and stuff. And I think that was a sexual comment that she was making. But uTim, when he came through, he was not pleased with that comment. I don't know, angeke ukwazi ukuhamba udlala nabafana nikhuluma nanoma yini, you know, you should respect yourself because manje sowujola nami, which for me I felt like you are overpowering ke daddy. You just a what body anijoli kahle kahle. You have not decided whether nifuna ukujola, because naye she's playful because that relationship is not like a real relationship. You guys are just niyasizana ngoba wena usashadile on paper, right? Umfundisi came through and then he says, nina noyi-2 niyajola yini? Tim said no. But later on the day, then they were found kissing. And then umfundisi sat down no Tim athi lalela kusemsebenzini la sibafuna amanyala. We don't want that. And then kumele ke manenza izinto zenu ningazenzeli lana. uTim athi no, it was just a spare of a moment. And then umfundisi abuza ukuthi the reason why bewushouta uTiny, is it because you're afraid ukuthi unkosikazi wakho cheated on you and you think she's gonna cheat on you too? Then he said yes. And then umfundisi wabuza ukuthi okay, at this point in time, are you divorced? Athi no, I'm not divorced, I'm separated. Wathi ke nomfundisi no, basically by law you are cheating because you are still married to your wife. There is no divorce decree. And now when I was uqhubekele phambili noTiny uyachita. That did not sit well with uTim. He felt like umfundisi ubanjanjani ke. Umfundisi had to seal that with a conversation saying, yabona la emsebenzini I don't want any of those. Everything eniyenzayo amanyala wenu niwayenzela le la siyasebenza. It's a place of work and it must be respected as such, which I feel that was important to say. Anyway, ukudla kwasemsebenzini ke uTim noTiny, they take ukudla kwasemsebenzini bahamba ke and go and feed the friends. Kusazoshuba. On the other hand ke kulabo abafuna ukwenza idini elikhulu, Jackson says the ulele kahle yini? Athi Martha angilalanga kahle. Athi okay, but then did you think about what Ncuka was saying? She says no, I'm not. And andizunikela ngomntanami. She even went as far as telling Ncuka that I'm not nikeling ngengane yami. I just realized I'm going to have a son and I'm not giving that son away. But the problem is, Jackson athi akususana olo, it's just clot of blood. It's not a person yet. Atuge ufaith atigena uMartha, it's a son because they were even able to see ukuthi indodana. So there's no way I'm going to give up my child just like that, just for the fame and fortune. But I think you will, child. I think you are about to do that, and you will do it without fear nor favor and looking at the goal which is what? Money. I think uzoyenza ke mntakabawo. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I thank you and I appreciate you for coming to my channel on a daily basis. Please do remember, I do not post full episodes. I only review full episodes. I'll see you in my next upload.